This is a tutorial on how to do this. Make sure to like and subscribe. First, put down where you want your plants to be. Mark it with some paint. Take the buckets off for now. Start spraying your planets. Use some paper to mix the paint. Add some shading. And repeat. Place the pots back on. Add some weights. Spray everything with black. Add some yellow and gold. Let it dry. Now we can take the pots off. Now I'm going to add some more shading. Put the pot on for one of the planets. Add a weight. Now with the dark blue spray paint, I'm going to make a streak right here. Now some purple and white. Now I'm using a plastic bag. Add more paint and keep blotting. Take off the weight and the pot. Add some finishing touches. And you're done. I hope you liked this video and make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.